Hello, this is Nagendra Thangella. In this part of the video, I'm going to demonstrate how to expose our water level status monitor to a web. Let us briefly review the source code. I am adding one file called HTML file. Path is there on the screen. And I simply write some HTML content showing when the monitor was started and what is the current status. This is just a HTML file, and we'll be using this one to render our status on the website. I created some images in a HTML folder, so those images will be used to clearly state what the status on the website. See, I created a blue, green, red, yellow images. You can use any tool to create them. I'm showing you how the images look like. There's blue, green, red, and yellow. I used Microsoft Paint to create these images, but you can use any other tool or any other imagination to represent the colors. I'm using a Node.js module called Express to render my website. You can install the same using npm install express. And here you can see my source code. It is very simple. I defined that express and set up the static HTML file content folder, and then when the website is called or the service is called, it will just simply display that HTML file. You should know the IP of your Raspberry Pi. You can get it by using the command ifconfig and note down that IP address. Here it is 192.168.0.22. Now let's see how to put our web server into auto start when the Pi reboots. Edit this etc/rc.local file. You can see our earlier code. Of course, I commented out. I'm changing it to demo 4 now and remove the comment. Then copied and pasted, changing Python 3 to Node, and then water level demo 4 to water level status server demo 4.js. Save the file and exit and reboot the Pi. Once the Pi reboots, open the browser, enter that IP address that you noted earlier. Here it is 192.168.0.22:8900. 1800 is the port number where that server is listening. So when you see that one, now by default it shows blue. Now insert the probe into that water bottle. It will show you the status depending on where that probe is in that water bottle. You can play with this probe by dipping in the water bottle, and to various points you can see the status changing: green, yellow, or red. Now let's see, you remember that we have been writing into a file also. Let's see that file content. Water level status log.txt. There you go.